So now let's talk about regular verb, regular and irregular verb, regular and irregular verb. So let's talk about regular verb. Regular verb are verbs that form their past tense. They are verbs that form their past tense and past participle by simply adding ed or d to the base form, e.g. so this is the base form, this is the past tense, and this is the past participle. Base form can also mean present tense. So we have play. Play. The past tense of play is played. Ed is being added for past participle is also played. Another example, clean. The past tense is cleaned, while the past participle also is cleaned. Talk. Tall. The past tense of talk is talked, while the past participle of talk is talked. You can see that ed is being added to the past tense and the past participle. Regular verb, they are verbs that form their past tense and past participle by simply adding ed or d to the base form, and base form can also be present tense. So now let's dive into the next one, which is irregular verb. And if you haven't subscribed and you are watching up to this moment, why haven't you subscribed? Make sure you subscribe now as we continue. Irregular verbs are verbs that do not follow the regular ed pattern, when forming past tense and past participle. When forming past tense and past participle. So irregular verb, they do not follow the regular ed pattern, unlike the regular verb that follow ed or d pattern by adding ed or d to their base form. So irregular verb is different. Irregular verb, they either stay the same or they change completely when forming their past tense and past participle. So I'm going to give example now on irregular verb that stay the same for the present tense, past tense and past participle, and I will also give irregular verb that change when forming the past participle and the past tense. So now present tense, past tense and past participle. So let's start now. Go is the present tense, which is also the base form. The past tense is went. The past tense of go is went, and the past participle of go is gone. Another one, become. The past tense of become is became, while the past participle of become is also become. Another example, eat, ate, eating. eat, ate, eaten. Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. So let's clean because of the space. Let's clean because of the space. Present tense. Past tense. Past participle. Past participle. So we stop at write, wrote, written, and this is under irregular verb. Let's continue. Take, took, taking. The present tense for take, the past tense for take is took, while the past participle for the base form take is taking. Another one. Speak, spoke, spoken. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, choosing. Do, did, done. See, saw, sing. So these are irregular verbs with different pattern. Irregular verb. These are irregular verb. Irregular verb with different pattern. So let me give example on irregular verb with the same pattern. Let's discuss irregular verb with different pattern. Irregular verb with the same pattern. We've discussed irregular verb with different pattern. So let's discuss for the same pattern. We have our present tense, past tense, and past participle. And I hope you know that past participle, it is used to show action that are ongoing, that are happening now. So the first one is caught, caught, caught. I hope you are attentive now. There is nothing like caughted. There is nothing like caughted. If you see caughted in your option and you pick it, you are going to get it wrong. Another one, eat, eat, eat. There is nothing like eated. That is what we do in language. It is what you have been making mistake for a long time. This is where we are going to correct you. Eat, eat, eat. Another example, put, put, put. There is nothing like putted. So the present tense for put is put, the past tense is put, while the past participle also is put. So we are discussing irregular verb with the same pattern. Another one, let, let, let. Let, let, let. Bust, bust, bust. There is nothing like busted. There is a JAMB question that requires that the option include bust, and they also put busted there. So I now drop the question in my group, and most people pick busted. Why? Because they think there is English called busted. But today I'm telling you now that there is nothing called busted. Busted is wrong. Busted is not even an English word. So the present tense for bust is bust, past tense is bust, while past participle is bust. Spread, spread, spread. Spreaded is wrong. Split, split, split. Splitted is wrong. As I am saying is wrong, please take note. There is nothing like splitted. There is also another question. The oranges were dashed into two. So splitted is now among the option. Most people pick splitted. The oranges were splitted into two. They were now like, yeah, they got it right. No, it is wrong. Splitted is not an English word. So I still have 3 more. Make sure you note this. I have 10 irregular verbs with same pattern. Aside that 10, there is no other one. There is no other one. So I'm going to be listing the 10. Make sure you take note of it. I'll be listing the remaining 3. Make sure you take note of it. So when you see this kind of verb that is having ed, you should avoid it at all costs. So we have 3 more. We have cast. Present tense of cast is cast. The past tense is cast. While the past participle is cast. Another one. So there is nothing like casted. Casted is not an English word. Another one is set. 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 Another one is caused. 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 So you also need to avoid costed. There is nothing like costed. So make sure you copy this note. It is very important.